Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make header HTML only way. Open your HTML file and add a semantic header element at the top to contain your logo, nav, and heading, keeping structure accessible and SEO friendly. Use classes and area roles as needed, style with CSS for layout and responsiveness, and test across devices. This method keeps markup clean, simple, and maintainable for future growth. Start by marking up your header with H1, logo link, and a nav element to group primary links together. Add area attributes on complex widgets and ensure keyboard focus works for all interactive parts. Consider skip links to help keyboard users jump to content quickly, and keep visual order matching DOM order for screen readers. This approach balances semantics, accessibility, and practical layout needs for real sites. Style your header with flexbox or grid to position logo and nav, and use media queries to adapt layout for small screens. Keep padding and touch targets large enough for comfortable tapping, and maintain contrast and font sizes for readability. Avoid oversized images that slow load times, and lazy load off-screen resources where possible. A light, responsive header improves user experience and reduces maintenance headaches over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.